All right, everyone. Are we ready for training? Actually, I was wondering if somebody wanted to switch partners with me today. Why? Who do you have, Kaminari? I'm with Bakugo. Ooh. No chance. Come on, guys. He's always so violent. He seriously needs to get some therapy. What are you talking about, Sparkplug? You know, you don't have to make fun of me before every training session, Bakugo. Shut up! My entire life value is linked to my quirk being the strongest. So others doing well in Class 1A makes me feel like a failure. So I have to bring down everybody around me to compensate. Wow, Bakugo, where is this coming from? Thank you for letting us know. Let all of us help you overcome this together as friends. In your dreams, Four Eyes. Wow, why'd you have to insult his physical disability like that? Because I'm the reason all my lost his powers. If I wasn't so worthless, then maybe I wouldn't have got in his way. So insulting others with disabilities helped me forget the damage I did to him. Wow, Bakugo, I didn't know you were so in touch with your emotions. And the All Might thing, it wasn't your fault. Yes, it was, Deku. You don't know anything. Now I'm going to individually hurt every single one of you in training today for acknowledging my feelings in my time of need. I don't understand. Where is this coming from, Kachan? When did you learn to understand yourself so clearly? I don't understand myself at all, nerd. I'm scared if I fix what's broken inside of me, I will lose what makes me, me. And then I would have to start answering the deeper questions of my psyche. Now die! Bakugo, stop! Oh, thanks, Kirishima. Wait, thanks for what? Shinzo was mind-controlling me the whole time. Don't do that again! My bad, guys. I thought I would pull a fun prank to ease the tension of me joining a class. Wait, so all of that stuff you just said wasn't true? Of course not. You know I stopped controlling you before Kirishima hit you, right? Yeah, whatever, Shinzo. Okay, hurry, let's go.